Hello, I'm Eric Proceus, owner and meteorologist for Cirrus Weather Solutions and StormWatch Plus. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up StormWatch Plus severe weather alerts or just SW Plus alerts. In order to receive alerts, you must configure the locations you want to be alerted for and optionally the types of alerts and when you want to receive them. SW Plus alerts allows you to enter up to 5 fixed locations to receive alerts for and will even assist you in setting up your first location when you initially purchase the alert service. You can use city, state, zip code, postal address, or allow your device to use your current GPS location. To manually set a fixed location, on the Active Alert Settings screen, tap Add Location. Provide a name for the location, such as home or work, then tap the GPS locator arrow or manually enter an address. We'll use GPS in this example. After a moment, your location will be plotted on the map. If you are satisfied with the location and name, tap Add and you will be returned to the main alert settings screen. Notice now that your location is listed and it is turned on. StormWatch Plus will monitor any location nationwide. Repeat these steps to add up to 5 fixed locations. You can disable alerts for a location by turning off the switch next to the location name. You can also turn off all alerts from StormWatch Plus by using the on-off switch at the top of the page. To edit or delete a location, simply tap the location name, make any changes, then click Update or Delete. You can also enable EnRoute, which will monitor your location for alerts as you commute or travel across the country. Simply turn it on the alert settings screen, and if asked, allow the app to always use your location so that we may alert you even if the app is not open. After a moment, your current location will appear on the map in the EnRoute area of the settings screen. You can also enter a quiet time if you do not wish to receive any alerts for a certain time of day. Simply tap Set Quiet Time, set your preferred start and end times, and then tap Save. The alert settings screen will display the quiet time. The best feature of SW Plus alerts, in our opinion, is the ability to choose which types of weather alerts you want to receive. Tap Change Alert Types, then select or deselect the weather types that you wish to be alerted for. A selection of the most impactful alerts are enabled by default when you first activate SW Plus alerts. When alerts are pushed to your device, you will hear the default notification sound for your device, with 2 exceptions. For severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings, Wake Me Up audio will sound, as well as a voice description of the type of alert on iOS devices.
Tornado warning issued for your location.
These are designed to wake you while you are sleeping, but only for the most serious alerts. Disabling these is not recommended. It is also worth noting that no audio alert will be delivered if your device is silenced, on vibrate, or do not disturb. However, the notification will still be pushed. If you are concerned about severe weather while sleeping, we highly recommend not silencing your phone. Finally, a word about how warnings are issued. Tornado, severe thunderstorm, and flash flood warnings are issued by the National Weather Service along a storm's path, irrespective of county boundaries. Some portions of a county may be in the warning polygon, while others are not. If you do not receive one of these warnings on your device, but portions of your county are under a warning or the sirens are sounding, it is because your specific location is not within the boundaries of the warned area, and thus you are not in harm's way. SW Plus Alerts uses precision GPS technology to pinpoint warnings only to those affected, allowing you to continue on about your business if you are not in the path of the storm, but warning you immediately if you are. As one of our SW Plus Alerts users put it, when a recent tornado warning was issued in our area, my wife texted me at work that she got a wireless emergency alert on her phone. My SW Plus alert never sounded for our home address as our home was not in the polygon. Score 1 for SW Plus alerts. We appreciate your purchasing SW Plus alerts and hope that our personalized weather alerts in the palm of your hand will provide peace of mind and the earliest possible warning when severe weather threatens.